Friends, welcome in our own teacher channel. Class 8th Science Workshop of Lesson number 6 Composition of Matter. Before that, if you are not subscribed my channel, then please subscribe to get notification of new video, and don't forget to comment. Your comment is my inspiration. Question 1. Choose the appropriate option and rewrite the following statements. 1. The intermolecular force is maximum in the particles of solid. 2. Solids retain their volume even when external pressure is applied. This property is called incompressibility. 3. Matter is classified into the types mixture, compound and element by applying the criterion chemical composition of matter. 4. Matter that contain two or more constituent substances is called mixture. 5. Milk is an example of type of matter called heterogeneous mixture. 6. Water, mercury and bromine are similar to each other because 3 are liquids. 7. Valency of carbon is 4 and that of oxygen is 2. From this we understand that there are 2 chemical bonds between the carbon atom and 1 oxygen atom in the compound carbon dioxide. Question 2. Identify the odd term out and explain. A. Gold, silver, copper, brass. The odd one is brass. Brass is a mixture while others are elements. B. Hydrogen, hydrogen peroxide, carbon dioxide, water vapor. Odd one is hydrogen. Hydrogen is an element while others are compounds. Milk, lemon juice, carbon, steel. The odd one is carbon. Carbon is an element while others are mixture. Water, mercury, bromine, petrol. The odd one is petrol. Petrol is an organic compound while others are inorganic compound. Sugar, salt, baking soda, blue vitriol. The odd one is sugar. Sugar is an organic compound while others are inorganic compounds. Hydrogen, sodium, potassium, carbon. The odd one is hydrogen. Hydrogen is a gas while others are solids. Question 3. Answer the following question. A. Plant synthesis glucose in sunlight with the help of chlorophyll from carbon dioxide and water and give away oxygen. Identify the 4 compounds in this process and name their types. The 4 compounds in this process are glucose, chlorophyll, carbon dioxide and water. Glucose is organic compound, chlorophyll is complex compound, carbon dioxide is inorganic compound and water is inorganic compound. B. In one sample of brass, the following ingredients were found: copper 70% and zinc 30%. Identify the solvent, solute and solution from these. The solvent is copper as it is present in high proportion in the solution. The solute is zinc as it is present in less proportion in the solution. The solution is brass as it is a homogeneous mixture of two metals. C. Seawater tastes salty due to the dissolved salt. The salinity of some water bodies: Lonar Lake 7.9%, Pacific Ocean 3.5%, Mediterranean Sea 3.8%, Dead Sea 33.7%. Explain two characteristics of mixture from the above information. The proportion of salts in the seawater is different. That is, the proportion of constituent substances in a mixture can change. The salinity of seawater from different water bodies is due to the dissolved salt. That is, the properties of the constituent substances are retained in the mixture. Question 4. Give two examples each. Liquid element: mercury, bromine. Gaseous element: hydrogen, oxygen. Solid element: copper, aluminium. Homogeneous mixture: seawater and air. Collide, fog and smoke. Organic compound: glucose, urea. Complex compound: cyanocobalamin and chlorophyll. Inorganic compound: salt and limestone. Metalloid: silicon, germanium. Element with valency 1: hydrogen, chlorine. Element with valency 2: oxygen and sulfur. Question 5. Write the names and symbols of the constituent elements and identify their valencies from the molecular formulae given below. Molecular formula, name, symbol and valency. Molecular formula is KCl. Its name: potassium and chlorine. Symbol: K and Cl. Its valency 1, chlorine also 1. Another molecular formula is HBr. Its names are hydrogen and bromine. Its symbols H and Br. Its valency 1 and bromine also 1. Next molecular formula is MgBr2. Its names are magnesium and bromine. Its symbol Mg and Br. Its valencies are 2 and 1. Next molecular formula is K2O and its name potassium and oxygen. Its symbol K and O. Its valency 1 and 2. Another molecular formula is NaH. Its name sodium and hydrogen. Its symbol Na and H. Its valency both are 1 1. Another formula CaCl2. Its name calcium and chlorine. Its symbol Ca and Cl. Its valency 2 and 1. Formula CCl4. Its name carbon and chlorine. Its symbols are C and Cl. Its valency 4 and 1. Another molecular formula is Hi. Its names are hydrogen and iodine. Its symbols are H and I. Its valency both are 1 1. Molecular formula is H2S. Its names are hydrogen and sulfur. Its symbol H and S. Its valency 1 and 2. Another molecular formula is Na2S. Its name sodium and sulfur. Its symbol Na and S. Its valency 1 and 2. Another molecular formula is Fe(S). Its names are iron and sulfur. Its symbols are Fe and S. Its valency both are same 2 2. Another formula BaCl2. Its names are barium and chlorine. Its symbols are Ba and Cl. Its valency is 2 and 1. Question 6. Chemical composition of some matter is given in the following table. Identify the main type of matter from there. Seawater. Main type of matter is mixture. Distilled water. Main type of matter is compound. Hydrogen gas filled in a balloon. Main type of matter is element. The gas in LPG cylinder. Main type of matter is mixture. Baking soda. The main type of matter is compound. Pure gold. Main type of matter is element. The gas in oxygen cylinder. The main type of matter is element. Bronze. Main type of matter is mixture. Diamond. Main type of matter is element. Heated white powder of blue vitriol. Main type of matter is compound. Limestone. Main type of matter is compound. Dilute hydrochloric acid. Main type of matter is mixture. Question 7. Write scientific reason. A. Hydrogen is combustible. Oxygen helps combustion, but water helps to extinguish fire. The properties of a compound are different from those of the constituent elements. Water is a compound. It is formed by chemical combination of the elements oxygen and hydrogen. Hydrogen gas is combustible and oxygen gas supports combustion. However, the properties of water are different. It is used to extinguish fire. B. Constituent substances of a colloid cannot be separated by ordinary filtration. Colloid is a heterogeneous mixture in which tiny particles are dispersed in a suitable medium. The diameter of the particle in a colloid is around 10 upon minus meter. the pores of an ordinary filter paper are larger than the particles of a colloid. Hence, constituent substances of a colloid cannot be separated by ordinary filtration. C. Lemon sherbet has sweet, sour and salty taste and it can be poured in a glass. The properties of the constituent substances are retained in the mixture. Lemon sherbet is a homogeneous mixture of various ingredients dissolved uniformly in water. Therefore, it has sweet, sour and salty taste. In lemon sherbet, water is present in large proportion. Water is a liquid and can be poured. Therefore, lemon sherbet can be poured. D. A solid matter has the properties of definite shape and volume. The strength of intermolecular force is very strong in the solid state of matter. As a result, the particles of solid are very close to each other and they vibrate at their fixed positions. The particles cannot move freely and occupy the available space. Question 8. Deduce the molecular formulae of the compound obtained from the following pairs of elements by the cross multiplication method. Carbon valency 4 and chlorine valency 1. Step 1. Write the symbols of the constituent elements. Step 2. Write the valency below the respective elements. Step 3. Cross multiply to obtain the number of atoms of the constituent elements in the molecule of the compound. Step 4. Write the formula of the compound obtained by cross multiplication CCl4. Sodium valency 3 and hydrogen valency 1. Step 1. Write the symbols of the constituent elements. Now write the valency below the respective elements. Cross multiply to obtain the number of atoms of the constituent elements in the molecule of the compound. Write the formula of the compound obtained by cross multiplication NH3. Carbon valency 4 and oxygen valency 2. Now write the symbols of the constituent elements. Write the valency below the respective elements. Cross multiply to obtain the number of atoms of the constituent elements in the molecule of compound. Now write the formula of compound obtained by cross multiplication C2O4. But the number of constituent atoms in the final molecular formula should be the smallest. So divide the formula by 2 and write the final molecular formula of compound CO2. Calcium valency 2 and oxygen valency 2. Write the symbols of constituent elements. Write the valency below the respective elements. Cross the multiply to obtain the number of atoms of the constituent elements in the molecule of the compound. Now write the formula of compound obtained by cross multiplication. Ca2O2. The number of constituent atoms in the final molecular formula should be the smallest. So divide by 2 and write the final molecular formula of the compound CaO. So friends, thanks.